Are we on the verge of another tech-driven economic revolution, or are we teetering on the edge of financial chaos? Today, we unravel the intricate web of investment opportunities and potential pitfalls lying in wait for savvy investors. In recent years, the housing market has been a subject of intense discussion, but now let's zoom in on a particular category: million-dollar listings. According to CNBC, there are locations across the United States where homes priced at $1 million are the norm, not the exception. This trend signals a significant shift in wealth distribution and investor behavior. The question remains, is this a sustainable market trend, or are we heading towards another housing bubble? As investors chase high-value residences, the requirement for careful risk assessment becomes paramount. It's a world where the rich get richer, but could this be a double-edged sword impacting broader economic stability? Meanwhile, the Financial Times has reported a significant geopolitical event that could have rippling effects across various markets. Saudi Arabia's critical east-west oil pipeline has been attacked, a development that raises questions about oil supply security. Instability in the Middle East has historically been a trigger for volatility in global oil prices. How will this latest incident play out in the oil markets, and what does it mean for investors? The implications on energy stocks could be profound, demanding that investors remain vigilant. Switching gears to a high-growth sector, cybersecurity stocks are on the rise. The catalyst, Anthropic's ambitious Project Glasswing, has made waves with its launch, reported by Investors Business Daily. Cybersecurity has become indispensable in our digital world, and as AI advancements accelerate, so does the risk and reach of cyber threats. With AI technologies embedded into Anthropic's latest project, the launch represents both opportunity and risk for cybersecurity players. Will these stocks become the darlings of 2026, or will they face unprecedented challenges as the tech landscape evolves? These events sit within a broader narrative where macroeconomic conditions influence investor decisions. Growing bets on a Federal Reserve rate cut by the year's end have gained traction following a truce with Iran, outlined by investing.com. Lower rates often mean borrowing becomes cheaper, which can fuel economic expansion and benefit stock markets. Yet, with inflation still a pressing concern, the Fed's balancing act remains delicate. Could a rate cut spark a bullish rally, or will it instead reflect underlying economic weaknesses that could steer us toward recession? In crypto markets, a fascinating development is capturing headlines. The New York Times investigation has put forth bold claims that Adam Back may indeed be Satoshi Nakamoto, as reported by theblock.co. Bitcoin, standing at $72,148 with a gain of 1.47%, continues its upward momentum amid these rumors. If such revelations hold water, the implications for Bitcoin and its regulatory landscape could be vast. Investors are calling their positions, and the potential for price swings is high. The age-old adage of buy the rumor, sell the news might be more relevant than ever. Could the crypto market see historic volatility in light of these findings? Pause here and ponder. How would these market shifts and geopolitical developments impact your financial decisions in the coming months? And now, as we navigate these turbulent waters, consider this. Investing is not just about seizing opportunities. It's about recognizing risks and safeguarding against unforeseen shocks. Today's landscape presents both tantalizing prospects and daunting challenges. But remember, in every crisis lies an opportunity. So what's the tactical edge? First, keep a sharp eye on the housing market. Understanding the forces driving million-dollar listings is crucial. Is it demographic shifts, pent-up demand, or speculative buying? Each factor provides critical insights for long-term investment strategies. Moreover, the attack on Saudi Arabia's pipeline underscores the importance of geopolitical awareness. These events can significantly impact energy portfolios, emphasizing the need for strategic diversity in asset management. In the realm of cybersecurity, Project Glasswing serves as a wake-up call. AI's role in amplifying both cybersecurity measures and threats is increasingly relevant. Investors need to discern between genuine innovation and speculative hype, particularly in high-tech sectors that are notoriously unpredictable. As bets on a Fed rate cut rise, understand its broader implications. While a rate cut might boost market sentiment in the short term, it's essential to consider its potential long-term ramifications. Inflationary pressures and economic growth trajectories are critical factors that will shape the outlook of markets. For crypto aficionados eager to navigate the Bitcoin saga, it's essential to stay informed and reactive. Should Adam Back's alleged role as Satoshi prove credible, the regulatory implications could reshape the crypto ecosystem. Smart investors should prepare for heightened volatility while pinpointing value across the crypto landscape. As we conclude, engage with the unfolding developments in strategic housing investments, cybersecurity innovations, monetary policy shifts, and crypto revelations. Embrace adaptability as your most valuable asset in these dynamic conditions. Analyze, strategize, and if you found this deep dive insightful, ensure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the world's most pressing financial narratives. Thank you for tuning in to our journey through these multifaceted markets. Let's delve deeper into some of the pressing issues and emerging trends shaping the financial landscape that you need to keep an eye on. Firstly, within the realm of strategic housing investments, we're witnessing an unprecedented evolution brought about by urbanization and technological advancements. Cities globally are adapting to smart housing solutions that integrate with IoT devices, potentially reshaping real estate portfolios. For investors, understanding the interplay between technology and real estate is crucial in strategizing future investments. Those who can foresee shifts in demand and technological inclusions will be well positioned to capitalize on significant market entries. Transitioning to cybersecurity innovations, data security continues to be a top priority as digital transformations expand. With cyber threats becoming more sophisticated, organizations are compelled to invest deeper into cybersecurity measures. This escalation creates opportunities in cybersecurity markets where demand for advanced solutions is growing exponentially. Investors should keep an eye on startups and established companies pushing the boundaries of AI-driven security solutions as they predict disruptions that can redefine cybersecurity paradigms. In terms of monetary policy, central banks are at a pivot point, considering both traditional and novel approaches to stimulate and stabilize economies. Notably, the rise and adoption of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, could redefine how countries handle monetary policy and international trade. The implications for investors are manifold, ranging from cryptocurrencies' influence to the broader impacts on foreign exchange markets. Keeping abreast of global central bank decisions will help inform better. Finally, as we reflect on crypto revelations, it's pivotal to acknowledge that digital assets are only one facet of the innovative finance landscape. Alongside crypto, fintech developments such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and financial inclusivity are rapidly gaining traction. These shifts suggest more democratized financial systems, unlocking investment pathways previously restricted to conventional financial hierarchies. For the astute investor, this emergence offers a chance to engage with nascent opportunities that promise high growth potential. So, as the week unfolds, remember to stay informed, adaptable, and proactive in navigating these ever-changing trends. Until next time, I'm Dr. Fred Markets, bringing you insights to help you stay ahead of the curve in the financial world.